Naija Network. Zone out. First of all, no be everybody sabi rap. No be everybody sabi sing, make we clap. Really am talking, man, I feel say with the joke. Now as I listen to some people rap, I see myself they choke. Yet, them go they claim to be the best. They say nobody can contest and their rap they smell like mess. Me, I do not claim to be the best. I am the nightmare to the best. Already know I'm the next. I am the boss with no beer things. Feeling like a star with my tear jeans. You go without, you get belly things. Now you they run come up for us, you be fear teen. I love my life and I really want to live it to the fullest. That's why I'm so meticulous, we're never dodging bullets. I may never fall in love with a girl I think is useless. Don't ask me the reason why my demise may be soonest. I'm advised to lay no, talk with little caution. No, act like I don't know. No, none of the above. Yo, you see them hear me call me, but they never see me call me. Maybe that's the reason I enjoy it when they say I'm corny. Still on the hustling in every way to make the money. Thereafter I'm in the club with smokers, but I'm drinking tonic. Thinking about the kind lyrics I go take glass. All these people pretend they say they no say they don't cast. I'm not going home till November. Female is not my gender, remember I can be tender. Some other times I could be sharp like a blender. Ever wondering the place that I come from, raised up in Delta. They say they good, but I'm coming to make it better. They say I'm clever, I'm not just rhyming up some letters. Of course I'm deadly, so please understand that I don't just come to break some record, I'm setting a standard. Without a touch you can feel it, I heard you say it's appealing. I'm feeling you thinking network is not a danger. You just a stranger with ignorance as a major, don't forget her. Yeah, I've got a history with Barrettas. I zone into zone out. It's next to easy, Freeme TV zone out. Yeah, it's your boy John Network. Thank you for watching my ZoneOut session. You can follow me on Instagram and Twitter at John Network with a Q. You can also subscribe to Freeme TV to watch other ZoneOut artists and also other videos, trending videos of course. And one last thing, let me know if I'm dope or not. Really?
Fears, you have fears too. I'll die, but you self go die too. Life is beautiful, oh, don't you think so too, Mr. Jailer? I'm talking to you, Jay.